Morning, guys. Zul here. I'm your operator for the network, for the channel. Today I'm gonna do some sharpening. As you all know, I got one latest additional stone collection added to my collection. There is the gritomatic 2500 grit silicon carbide. So today I'm gonna do a full sharpening using 1000 and then 2000. We're gonna sharpen this cleaver, vegetable cleaver. It's really sharp actually, but I'm gonna dull it for you guys and do full sharpening with it on these two stones. Okay, before we start, some demonstration on how sharp cleaver is currently. Newspaper, by the way. Okay. Now, without further ado, this stone is already been soaked just now, so as you can see, it's pretty well soaked as the water is pulling up on the surface. So I'm gonna dull this guy, and then I'm gonna put this. Okay, I'm gonna dull this. This is a cheap silicon carbide stone. And I think it's pretty dull right now. See? Yep, it can't cut anymore. So we're gonna start. This is 1000? Oh yeah, this is 1000. Sorry, guys. This is the 1000. Because I have a frame. Let me put it a little. Alright, coming down. Little. Yep. There you go. Nice. And then start. Don't mind the sound or what's not, because I'm in the kitchen. I don't have any good of a soundproof room to record my video. Just bear with it. But important is the stone and the knife. As usual, I'm gonna sharpen till I raise a burr one side, and then I'm gonna flip when I already got the burr on the other side. Sorry, yes, I'm experiencing a lot of noise currently during the recording. Alright. This is my first full sharpening with these two stones, 1000 and 2500. I've done full sharpening with this 1000 stone, since the 2500 is more like a polishing stone, so I'm going to do with two stones. Yeah, I got a burr all the way from heel to the tip. Now I'm gonna flip. Again, try to raise the burr on this side. If you are still learning, try to move slowly. For me, yeah. Put your hand on near to the edge. Some pressure, but not too much. The pressure just enough so that you can control the edge you put on the knife. So I got a burr already, all the way. So I'm gonna do a minimization first, and then I'm gonna switch to. Alright. Cleaver is an easy, for me it's easy because you just got a straight edge, not too much belly, so you just have to maintain your angle, not too much overshoot, but just a little bit, because see, it's not that completely straight, got some um, small radius of curve on the knife. Yeah, I think I'm ready to switch the stone, but I'm not gonna remove the stone. In fact, I'm just gonna put this on top of this 2500. Okay, now we're gonna switch stone. This is 2500. Alright. The feeling, the tactile feedback from the stone is much like the 1000, but I did mention it in the previous video that it's kind of glossy, more glossy than 1000, but it's the feel of the knife being grabbed by the stone is the same, only that it's more slippery, more glassy. After all, it's come from the same manufacturer and using the same silicon carbide, only the size of the abrasive is smaller. You can see I'm moving slowly with my left hand so that you guys can see how I move my hand, this hand along the edge. I don't put too much pressure. The pressure I put is enough to make it, my finger turn white. You don't have to put ultra strength bear down on the stone because it won't give you any benefit. Instead, you will get harder time controlling your angle. Same as this one. Try this hand, try to maintain your angle as much as possible. This one, put some pressure but not too much pressure on the stone, on the knife I mean. Like that you will get an even bevel, a nice bevel, consistent bevel. Alright. Although this is 2500, you can see there's metal on top of this stone, meaning to say it's still cut. Although it's 2500, it's still cut. It's still cut. Erasable. So I'm gonna do some minimization and refinement of the edge. Yeah, I forgot to, before I switch stone, I forgot to show you guys sharpness of the edge of coming off from that 1K stone, but never mind, show it in towards the end together with the edge finishes that you leave. Minimization, there's no counting above. You do it till it come to an effect, till you are satisfied that the burr is knocked down, most of it. Basically what you do is you flip the burr until it broke down. See? You clean it frequently also to remove the burr. As you go. Right. Still can feel, yeah, there's some small burr. Now what I'm gonna do is try to flip it. I like this tone. It's kind of the feedback when you run your knife on the stone. It's like it's kind of grab your knife down into the stone. So I was mentioning that it kind of grabby. So holding your angle becomes easy for me. It's not that, although it's glassy, although it's slippery, glassy, but the feedback that it gives it give you some sort of control over your knife. So it's done. Now I'm gonna do edge leading, knock down the burr. Same as this, huh? No counting involved. You do this to an effect. Just take and feel the burr on the side. You don't need too much pressure, just run your knife edges on the stone with the same angle so the stone can snag the burr. Oh, what's that? Careful when you're doing the burring, because yeah, I put my hand slightly on top of the knife so that I have some control over the edge. Yeah, yes, to it. I'm gonna wipe it and show you guys the edge that's coming off from the stone. You guys go, you can see the edges. It's quite it's not that mirror, but quite reflective. Let's see some cutting. The same newspaper. Ooh, nice. Nice. Let's drop it a little and try one more time cut this. Let me get this drop. My strap is a coarse leather. It's rough with a micron CBN on it. This one. Kitchen knife, I like to sharpen it freehand to give it some convexity on the edge, and it added strength to the edge to the knife. Because kitchen knife, you use it daily, you don't want to sharpen it daily, but you have to do it also. So, same newspaper, same knife, after strop. Whoop, sorry, my mistake. Whoop. Yeah. It's getting wet. Yeah. Yep. So, that's this guy. See ya. Zulu Kilo signing out.